And we're off. Me and big brother Chris. Let's go. We're in Rome. This again, Chris and I just got here in Rome. I think he just gave a let's go. Let's go. We're gonna have a pretty awesome lunch. For my wife Jessica, she's gonna love it. Woo! You cut it.
Buongiorno.
I've been waiting for this pasta. Pasta. What if you don't like pasta? I fortunately do when I'm here in Rome.
Here, turn around.
Yeah, man.
A little better over here.
He's getting his water straight. Awesome. Banini. Love for sale. Love for sale. Corey, I got you. Corey, I got you. Go sit down. I'll get you. I got you. Off the beaten path. Cheese with the big cheese. It with cheese. I am in the Berks land. Check this shit out. I'm at home.
Started from the bottom, now we here.
Berks.
Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here.
Berks, baby.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here.
Early Skyway. That's totally what it was. It's like downtown Minneapolis.
Living at my mama house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it.
Buongiorno.
Working all night, traffic on the way home, and my uncle calling.
So underneath where we are in ancient times is Pompey's Theater. So check out what this place looks like. So this was built on top of it, which is why it's shaped like this, though. One of the oldest freestanding buildings in the world. And I love this place. Every time I see it, it makes me feel good. And you saw this from our room, or not our... We're in front of what? The Pantheon?
Pantheon.
And it's how many years old? Almost 2,000? Right on. So my brother corrected me. This was built in 125 AD.
I did correct you.
He corrected me. And Wikipedia. Between Chris and Wikipedia, they told me I was wrong. It wasn't 40 AD or 400 AD. It was 125 AD.
Very old.
That makes the video. Watch me use the force. Yeah, a little, follow me, I'll lead the way.
I said you're kind of gay.
No, I said having a spritzer is kind of gay. Buongiorno.
So this is called the Piazza Navona.
Navona. Used to be
also known as chariot racing.
Yeah, that's where the chariot's right where I'm standing. Like my chariot, baby. I'm riding this chariot
I'm giving you the. I'm doing the bullet or the 360 view thing.
I'm riding cherries, baby. Look at this shit.
You go.
Chris found some off the beaten path places.
A restaurante.
Oops. Hello. Mussolini addressing his crowd. See that? Right there. We call it the wedding cake to the Italians. So it looks like a wedding cake. Buongiorno! Buongiorno. Kind of looks like Caesar's Palace in Vegas. So Mary Beard, the famous English archaeologist, has a YouTube about this. Basically what you're looking at here is the oldest apartments that are still here in Rome.
You can see where they're down.
So that main level is when they'd walk in, and they'd usually have that's like a storefront down there. And then the higher you go up is where they lived. And then years later they turned that into like church Christianity stuff. Uncle Chris, why do you think these steps are so long?
Drive up.
Horses.
Yes.
So these are steps for horses. No, because that blocked it. Okay. So look over there. Look at it's the Colosseum. This is the Roman Forum right here. This is the center of political life right here. So we are right here looking towards that. There, Capitol Hill, looking down towards that. I'm in the world, man.
All the time in the world.
Oh, SPQ is everywhere, Chris. What does SPQ mean?
SPQR is an acronym for Senatus Populus Q Romanus.
So it means Rome,
the
by the Senate and the people.
The Senate and the Roman people.
SPQR.
SPQR. It's an emblematic phrase referring to the government of the Roman Republic. There, right out of Wikipedia. Oh, the lighting is beautiful. Corey, I'm getting you.
Yeah?
You're beautiful too.
What can I say?
So cool.
This is good living, man. This is good living. There's Romulus and Remus getting it in with the wolf, the she-wolf.
I'm somewhere where this shit is.
We'll erase it.
It hasn't.
These are original. These are from 2,000 years ago. This is not new, is the quote that Chris just said.
This
It's
is
not.
not new.
It's not new. Chris is with Julius Caesar here. The man, the myth, the legend. His neighborhood. We're in it. into his land. Well, Chris and I are standing right here looking that way, and then this is what used to be right there. All right, Uncle Chris says those, the double pillars, are the double pillars over there, and that this is actually what's remaining there. We are here looking at this, and that church is now there. Oh, we're right here, Chris. We're right here. Okay. We're right there. And then this would be over there. And that those portico thing is right. This is there.
Caesar's Forum, 54 BC. Like the ruins of Rome, I lay helpless at your feet.
Some history here. So where these trees are, this is where they used to have a giant, colossal statue, which was like 30 feet high, 40 feet high, of Nero. And as soon as they were pissed with him, they tore it down. But there used to, that's why it's called the Colosseum or Colosseum. Because it's actually called the Flavian Theater, because this big colossal statue is here. They called it the Colosseum.
So how old is this bitch?
64 AD. The Colosseum took 7 years to create in 64 AD. So that was, what, 20 years after Jesus died? Jesus, I think, died in like the 440. Take a screenshot of this. This guy. Regular named Chris over there. Hanging out with the Romans. It's right there. Hey guy, what's going on, fella? Buongiorno, boys. Got Chris or something.
Take some video. Colosseum that way.
That's cool.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom,
That's what we're
now we
doing.
here.
Bastinari.
Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole
Hey,
team here. Nigga,
we're having pizza tonight too, man. It's a pizza party.
Ending of night one.
Night one, baby. Night one. Grazie. Prego.
There it is, the ending to night one.
Ending of night one. The Diablo. The Diablo pizza.
I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here.